Yeah.
Fernie is an outdoor mecca. Over the last few days, we've been exploring some of the many offerings, from shredding the trails in the Fernie Bike Park to cliff jumping into crystal clear glacial lakes hidden deep in the stunning alpine valleys. But now it's time to check out one of the most unique experiences you can do right here in Fernie, BC: whitewater rafting in the Elk River. We're going with Tunnel 49 Rafting, a local company that offers incredible trips with truly unique twists that turn the fun factor on your rafting adventure up to 10, and we're taking full advantage. Today's crew is John, Rob, and myself, and we're hopping in one of the most unique rafts I've ever seen, the Mammoth Raft. Now, it's not called the Mammoth because of its size, it's because of its shape. This thing has a bold U-shaped design that gives it a pair of tusks at the front. And it's not just for show. This design gives the raft maximum agility in the rapids, and even more importantly, maximum splash factor. We are so stoked to try it out. We are kicking off this adventure by hopping into one of Tunnel 49's vans and driving down the scenic Elk Valley Highway to our drop-in point. After arriving, we are taking a short hike down into the canyon, and the views are absolutely breathtaking. We are met with towering cliffs, rushing water, and the vibrant blue of the Elk River winding through the valley. Once we reach the bottom, our rafts are waiting, and so is the river. And man, this water is something else. Yeah, it's freezing cold, but its incredible glacial blue practically pulls you in. It's now time to hop in and begin the first leg of the journey. We start with a chill float, perfect for soaking in the scenery, getting comfortable, and going over safety. We'll also be hitting some Class 1 and Class 2 rapids. Nothing too wild, just enough to keep us cool and get the laughs rolling. Let's drop in.
Yeah, here comes another one. All right, one more. Surfing! How sick is this? Yeah! Whoa!
I absolutely love whitewater rafting. It's an adrenaline rush, it's a totally team effort.
Yeah! Woo!
And the camaraderie, always guaranteed.
Dude, high five, that was sick.
But as much as it is about the rapids, it's also about the moments in between, when you can just fool around and not take things too seriously. And honestly, that's part of the magic. When you get too warm, you can just hop in the river with your buddies and just drift for a minute. You're not just cooling down, you're connecting with the water, with nature, and the moment. Now we're pulling up for a quick riverside lunch to fuel up before we drop into the next set of rapids. This is where things really start to get serious. We're entering the gorge, the most scenic stretch of the Elk River, and also the gnarliest.
Man, look at this canyon.
This is where the Class 3 and 4 rapids come alive. Big drops, churning waves, and non-stop action. And if you're feeling brave, this is also prime cliff jumping territory. Take a leap, hit the deep pools below, and earn your bragging rights. Once lunch is over, it's time to grab our paddles because things are about to get sick. Let's drop in. One of the best parts of the Mammoth Raft is getting to ride the bowl. This isn't just sit back and hold on. This is full send. You crawl to the very front of the raft, straddle the inflatable tube like a wild bronco, throw one hand into the air and hold on for dear life. It's just you, the rushing water, and the fight to stay on board. Not over. Let's get after it. Fernie just keeps on giving. Whether you're in the Alpine, on a mountain bike, or charging down a glacial river, this place never runs out of adventure. Today was pure rush. From the cold splash of the Elk River to the roar of the rapids on the Mammoth Raft. We laughed, we got soaked, and we rode the bull like absolute maniacs. And yeah, maybe one of us ate a face full of water, but that's what it's all about. It's not just about whitewater. It's about the crew, the views, the wild moments you can't plan for, and the stories you'll be telling around the fire. Thanks Tunnel 49 Rafting for showing us one of the most unique ways to experience Fernie. If you're ever in the area, don't just pass through. Get in the raft, take a leap, ride the bull. Because out here, adventure isn't just around the corner. It's rushing right at you. Until the next one, stay tuned.